What's up guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing ETFB, but look at my name, ETFB start to end, which means I forgot, escape room for brain rot start to end. So basically I'm going to start off as like a small guy, but then I'm gonna turn out big. Okay, I'm gonna skip those. No, not that. I'm going to gamble. I need a lucky block. Give me this uncommon lucky block. It's you know, like when you're go, bro. No. I took the ballerina away. Please don't. Okay.
Ang gusto ko talaga
This.
sa akin is pagka ano kami, nasa kama na kami.
Luckily they're far away.
Kahit wala, kahit may
Mag-get lucky block. Level 5! Okay. What do we get? A bobrito bandito. Okay. Upgrade. Upgrade. This is actually the real one. The real ETFB.
Hindi siya pwede yung parang pag may sasabihin ng isang part ng katawan mo, talagang
pwedeng magawa.
1.34. I ain't even going to take handouts. Okay, boom. Okay. Now wait. I guess we'll just.
I'll call you.
What's a chapter in your life that tested your faith the most?
2022. Election.
So for both of us, that was uncharted. That was uncharted.
Please. No! I almost got the PP Kiwi, bro. PP Kiwi. Okay, so I now have 29 speed. Just get this. The Valentine machine does really weird things. 3.79. Wait, I'm upgrade this first. There you go.
Same remote. Pareho kami ni Mikey. Manalo, matalo. Same remote.
Bro.
Pero hindi kami parang show na.
Okay. I'm at 32 speed. Why are they so small? I'ma go to the legendary. Or maybe to the. I'ma go to legendary. I wanna get the Bombay din. I'ma get this epic one. Lucky block. I'ma gamble. Why is it 3 digits though? Okay, go back. No, don't weep. No! Nice one. I juked him and then he died.
I-release. Kailangan ko ma-release.
Torero. Yes! Oh my God.
Kanin, tagal mo na ito mo sa ano.
Pagka doon mo nirelease sa Shopee, malulungkot ka pala ako kasi na-enjoy ko.
Magugas na naman
Hindi na ako nag-i-enjoy sa Shopee. Ano na ako yun nga. I-release ko sa mga tao. Tapos sabihin ng mga kaibigan ko. Ano naman, as LeBron James ako sorry. Give me the pictures.
Curly ako.
Keeps looking outside.
Salin mo na. Salin mo na.
Ay, maganda na last question. Ano? For the soul. Okay, pakinggan mo. If you're going to meet God one day, what's the first thing you will tell him? Ako, thank you. Thank you for dying for someone undeserving like me. And loving and accepting someone unworthy like me. Ate, ang tingin mo mo. Ay, kasi di ba minsan makakakaroon ka na realization, grabe yung ikaw, may King of Kings na died on the cross for you. Nakakaano yun.
Ako, thank you for the family and the man that you gave me. Kasi yung family is hindi mo naman yan mapipili. Hindi mo naman
You're born with it.
You're born with it. So, ayoko naman sabihin na parang blessed talaga ako sa pagkakataong yun na family ng asawa ko, family ko, yung family na nag-surround sa akin is very good na ano siya, stable siya, maganda siyang foundation for me to feel complete and to feel whole. So, yun lahat, bigay yun ni Lord. Okay?
Ikaw, what's one thing you would tell them?
Well, obviously,
Wait, guys, actually.
can I answer?
Philip kami.
If you think that that's really the main is to be with him forever.
Ako, aside from thank you, sasabihin ko, ikaw pala yun. Ikaw pala yung iyan pala yung tsura mo. Lagi ako nagpipray sa'yo, ganyan pala yung face mo. Ngayon, nakita ko na yung face kasi di ba parang all your life, you live by faith and you live na one day I will meet you. So when you meet him one day, parang, wow, iyan pala yung tsura mo.
Ano to? Chicken. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, I got the panda chini. This is my base. Okay, this.
Gusto niyong gawin na papasala
Oh, never mind.
sa pagkakataon niya.
No, okay, this.
Binigay niya sa atin dito. Saka sa
25k.
lahat ng pagkakataon niya pinagkaroon niya sa temporary na
Salamat sa lahat.
You always give thanks.
May nakita nga ako yung term ng ganda.
Ano?
Sabi niya, kahit daw yung mga discipline and punishment na yung
Pasasalamatan.
pasasalamatan din. So, what punishments are not good for God if it's not for your own good? Hindi ka naman nadidisiplinahin kung hindi yung para sa ikabubuti mo. So, even though yung mga ganun,
Actually, yung disiplina naman yun, yung consequences ng actions natin yun, na kailangan
Okay.
ibigay sa
hindi
atin.
parana sa atin.
Trying to upgrade my speed. One
Hindi
then
niya
for
lang
all.
pero lahat pa rin ng binibigay niyang consequence, kaya pa rin natin.
Sana naging meaningful din ang buwan ng mga puso ninyong lahat.
Plus 5 speed is gone. No.
Usapan, samahan, at balitaktakan kasama
I'll try to
yung
get
pamilya, loved ones.
500k for the
Or
carry.
even like having coffee or dinner. Pag nabobore kayo, instead na pag-usapan ng buhay ng
Life
iba,
story ng iba.
life story na lang ng bawat isa. Thank you for watching.
Look at me. Okay, wait.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking this video and thank you for subscribing. And most importantly, thank you for forwarding this video to
Yo,
someone
look
who
at bro's base. That's so OP. Come in here. No! Okay, luckily. Pengu now. Cocosino. Give me this. Yes. Trying to get out. Trying to get out. Yay! Okay, doing that. Shakalaka. Now I need 1,000,000, bro. $150. 150. Okay, boom. Just time to wait.
Minsan lagi ito lang sinasabi.
I ain't going to take handouts.
Ito lang lagi yung trigger sa amin tatlo. Pag mag-usap sana, bigyan ako ng isang product. Lupat tayo with oras sa ang pinagawa na namin, 1,000 bottle. For 6 months, yung 1,000 bottle. Alam ko naman, kasi yung distributor. Isang unang line up atin, laan mo. 100,000 bottles.
What? For 1,000 lang ang ano nyo.
Okay, I can.
During the process, gusto niya lumalaki
Okay.
yung na-overlook na namin sa amin.
There's a price to pay.
Yun.
I'ma get this, and then
After
I'ma
several
get
attempts
this.
to figure it out, alam mo
Run,
na isip
run.
isa't isa na parang, hanggang dito na lang talaga. Kasi, we
Wait,
have
is
to
throw
end
going
something
backwards?
para makapag-continue tayo ng something deeper.
Oh my god. Yes! I got to. Wait, mobile shift lock. Boom. Look at. No, this is. That was not my base. That was not my base! Not the base. No, why is that Ranguini? Big back.
To the highest level of Yuka, the elite level.
Yes, gold standard.
The gold standard premium. Alam nyo, yung sikat at pinagkakabuluhan nyo sa TikTok at laging sold out na hickory, sila po Moses Hine, the famous product. We have the CEOs. Kasi kayo talaga nagbuo ng brand together. Makulay ang buhay ninyo individually, together, and now as business partners. Sino ang cum laude sa kanilang dalawa? Kasi si Ralph po ay una kong nakatrabaho.
I have 71 speed.
Pero sa Manila.
Upgrade that.
Yung production ako. Tapos, yung
Yeah.
1 month ako doon, hindi ko kaya. Tapos after
No,
nun,
and
meron
then
akong opportunity sa call
this.
center. Sakto nagkasakit si mami, may stroke siya. May stroke siya. May time na. May diabetes din po. Mas kailangan namin ng extra pa na income. So, ginag ko yun. Nilat ko yung passion ko sa movie, sa
Oo, kasi cum laude ka sa mass communication. So kung isipin mo, dapat ang line of work mo nasa production.
Okay,
Kaso after
PPQ.
meron talaga yung pag
I'm upgrade him.
yung gusto mo talaga.
There you go.
Itutuloy niyo. So, nagkaroon din ito
Might as well just sell this. We don't really need you anymore.
Revenge Squad came by.
Okay, got so much
Tapos,
money.
yung sa atin, last night.
Why you buy?
Oh my gosh,
Look at this.
Nag-Sharon din.
Ah.
Siguro almost 2.5 to 3 years ako sa promo.
This is him.
Pero ano ang
You know, I need Robux here. I don't have Robux.
Kasi,
Even on my main. I don't know how to get the Robux. I don't know how to get the Robux. Wait, let me upgrade my speed. 16 million?
Ganun na tayo kasi sila ang sometimes most underpaid but overworked
Sobra.
na experience
Yes,
mo yan.
first hand.
Okay, si Michael, how will you describe your childhood?
Masaya.
Look at this. K, wait, no, Kayla's Cash, I don't, Decky,
Mga kasipis mo halos.
Saint.
Kasi growing in Quezon City, middle class family.
I only know them.
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang, pero
I don't know the others. Wait, K. K is there.
Negosyo, racket. Lali ko yung talagang parang tumayo.
Fix sign, no, I don't know that.
Naglatag lang siya ng table sa tapat ng bahay.
But here, no.
Nagluto siya,
They
nag-usap
eat
siya magluto.
They use
Lumaki naman yung negosyo ng
Robux.
nanay that time. From one table, tatlo, apat, lima.
Sabi ko na mga nanay no pag nag-step up sa
Sobra.
responsibilidad. Di mo aning kayo.
I am not here,
Ang
actually.
laking bagay. Yung
I have a Burgerini Berini.
So saan kayo nagkakilala dito?
simbahan.
Wow!
There you go.
Simbahan na agad. Okay, wedding bells na.
Sa ano, ate, sa bar. Sa bar.
Iyon.
Kasi,
From church to bar.
Yes, sa bar.
Alam ko kung saan sa bar.
Yes.
Wala ko na sa ABS nun.
Nasa ABS pa ako nun. Parang.
Ikaw ang work mo.
Okay, I'm gonna
Nasa
leave.
corporate.
Wait,
Siyempre nung nag-meet sila, hindi naman mo
I'ma take
sikat ang mindset.
one of my
Sila
brain
para
rots.
invest,
Okay,
hindi magkaroon ng business. Pero yung una is
TFB
us
start
getting to know each
to
other.
Common
end.
friend, pinakilala kami, lasing tayo pareha.
Oo naman.
So medyo mahilig kasi ate.
Oh,
Wow.
yes, of course, for the bar.
Yes.
For the bar experience.
Hindi ko masyadong nakikita.
That's me.
Bigyan ko na ng that time.
Okay,
Kasi
now
parang sa akin, parang bago. Kasi galing
I'm
from a
going
very
to go
serious and
to
mature na relationship.
ETFB.
Siya, fun.
Okay?
Sobrang, ay, parang,
I'm gonna join him.
ang saya
Like
lang. Like,
Doon na nag-start yung isa't isa. Yung mga second meetings.
I am blowing with 614 connections.
Almost 6 months after.
Okay,
So, one time,
I'ma give him this Mateo.
Maliit na restaurant na
Okay,
nag-give up ng
second.
kapatid ko. So, sa akin ipinasa that
Okay,
time.
then
Crazy talk.
gift.
Kaso, parang palugi.
Yes.
Dumating siya. After kay Star Cinema, yun yung naging everyday buhay ko. Sabi ko,
Okay,
parang gusto mo mag-business tayo together. Nung una,
Okay.
parang for him, he believes na hindi na
Success. Look at
pag may
this.
business involved, may money involved.
Look at this. What the hell?
Nagaling sa ganung situation na okay sila sa una nung nag-business, they ended up bad. Talagang sobra to the point na nagkakasihan. Kung gusto
I
mo,
need some lollipops.
Kasi yung line of step ko naman is consultancy. So, kaya ka matulungan.
Yo, they are flinging us. No,
Buti na papayag mo.
Yung story, kung isip ako talaga, kasi kung hindi ko gagawin, saka hindi ko gagawin. Pwede ko naman inayos namin.
I literally need to upgrade my speed.
Sabi ko sa
So,
Restaurant kasi hindi tayo.
I'm sorry.
sa kanya, let's be practical.
I'm sorry I cheated.
So, inayos namin to share together.
Parang namimili
I
tayo.
got
Namimili
to-
kami ng
201.
mga specialties dun sa existing kong...
My name is Skylar. I filled the box with prime. Probably to go here to bring the question tonight.
Crazy talk sa mga inspiration namin talaga.
Kasi 2017 yan. Yun yung hindi
What
pa
the heck?
masyadong ganun tapos sa mga sisi. Nagsisig konti pa lang.
Tapos wala pang pandemya.
I'm probably to go here to bring the question
Say
tonight.
happy ka. Yung first na branch namin, supposedly, ang target talaga namin sa harap ng mga university, dun pasa kami.
Candygram. Eto, I think I gotta go to the Candygram station.
Pero yung set of machine, hindi para sa
Oh,
Kaya sobrang talagang bibigay.
that's how it works.
Minute kami may isang nag-message sa akin na friend.
Okay, I'm gonna
Meron
just
daw
farm.
place dito sa SM na open for isang stall. Sabi ko, kailangan basta kayo ng mood. Pinasa. Ako, hindi ko kailangan talaga na.
Yeah.
Hindi ko tayo So, kailangan
Sure.
Mag-
I'll keep collecting candy.
Tapos yung concept, alam namin for us. And fortunately, yun, nakaka-open yung kami sa
Wanna wake up, right now.
Yun ang
We
first
never
ever
broke up,
business.
right now.
So yun, ay na long story short, nangyayap kami after over a year. Nagano na siya, 85 branches.
Wow!
Ang success talaga, hindi mo makuha sa iba. Sa sarili mong hard work.
So from Crazy Cup, ano na ang nangyari after nun?
Doon mo pumasok si pandemya. Pero yung first wave ng pandemic, super happy pa rin kasi grabe yung sales.
Yung first 3 months, no?
Tumago kami.
Okay.
Honest talaga namin.
Yes, sales, everyday.
Actually, marami
Already out of
pa
money.
ang maraming
Let's go. Yeah,
businesses,
yeah,
pero
love.
there are some businesses na
Give me.
nag-thrive noong pandemic.
Yes.
Oh,
They're
never
one of the
mind.
few who are lucky.
I don't know where the line is.
Mag-solo. Pero yun,
I wanna wake up right now. Wanna wake up right now. We never broke up right now. Wanna wake up right now.
branches namin yung Even, yung mga nasa probinsya namin, hindi naman
Wala kami magagawa, but support
I'm
them.
72.
So talagang ang namintain namin is
I'm 72 candy.
and very few na lang ng mga
Jump.
franchises na kaya namin supportahan.
So, nung pandemic,
Oh my god.
ang natira sa amin siguro mga 4.
Formula.
4 yung own, tapos yung 6 franchises,
Okay.
mga relatives pa. Sa amin, sa
I need to submit my candies.
Axe, the #1 Dio fragrance brand in the Philippines. New Axe Stick. Best ever Axe wash. Find out.
Yo, it's so big. What will happen?
At first signs of sore throat, take Strepsil, clinically proven to kill viruses and bacteria, providing fast relief in
Nah,
60
I
seconds.
keep on level.
Put your
You know, I'ma fuse this, guys.
Sa own
Don't
branch namin,
even try to
pwede
gift
namin
it.
buhatin kasi mga employees kami ng
Okay,
maas.
weep,
They're
boom.
having
I'm here
business
now.
na kami ng business.
Time
Of course,
to
for
do
the
it.
profit, ma-achieve mo yung mga dreams mo para sa family, para sa sarili mo. Pero nung tumagal siya, parang, di ba? Parang ngayon, yung mga empleyado
A
mo,
cavallo
naka-outline,
vertosa.
Kasi kung kami lang yung Tony, sabi, may time na pinag-usapan
put it
namin,
right there.
mag-apply na tayo kaya.
Yeah,
Pero,
great.
pagkatapos ng line na yun, paano si ganito?
About the people who
Mm-mm.
provide it.
Grabe, nagbago rin yung panahon namin that time.
So, paano yung naging transition from Crazy Cup yung mag-isip na tayo ng ibang business?
Yo, I got a candy block.
Parang pagmamahal sa sarili namin na kasi di mo naman
I already
nalagay
opened it.
kalahatan. Hindi naman yung
Wow, the secret.
nakaka-breakouts na kami parehas lagi
I
siya.
got the
It's
secret.
taking a toll on you personally and it's
Yo,
taking
what
a toll
the?
on the
Give me this.
Ayun yung story. So, yung nagkaroon siya ng breakout, doon nag-start siya ng idea.
Give me
Pero
this.
bago yung BKNU,
Give me.
nag-try pa kami mag-video sa mga item.
Yan tawag
Oh
dyan.
my god, the secret lucky block level 84. What will I get? What will I get?
And then 2020, continue.
I got the 10 on your Nino. Yeah. Look at my bros.
Sino nagkada break?
Look at my bros.
Ano sa atin?
Hinahanap mo yung beauty game.
Rima Valentine na.
Dahil sa breakout ko, hanap ako sa online.
I
Eh, may
wanna
isa akong
wake up,
pag-review
rap,
meeting sa
rap, rap now. I
Parang
wanna wake up, rap, rap, rap now.
sa Bible.
We never broke up, rap, rap now.
Sa ano writer, yung taga-sinig sa New York. Sabi ko, ano siya, this dito?
What?
Sabi ko, baby,
What is this? Copitron Consoletron.
ay, baby, ipapasa na lang kita.
I'ma get this back later. To mommy.
Sabi ko, check
I wanna wake up, rap, rap, rap now. I wanna wake up, rap, rap, rap now. We never broke up, rap, rap, rap now. I wanna wake up, rap, rap now. Yeah, I can go to the secret. Let's go. I wanna wake up,
So, dyan pumasok yung beauty and beauty. We started with rejuvenating set, mga sabon na, mga 1,000 pieces, pero isang
Hindi nga, wala pa rin bumibili.
wala gusto. Saan kami na yung dalaga-dalaga?
Oh, na, 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 na.
Ganun talaga.
Pero, kaya, parang sabi ko, sige, doon tayo. Hindi tayo natignan. Tapos magkano na bang pera?
Oh, yun naman ang dynamics ng relationship.
Bro, I can't even fit.
Nung time na yun, may mga struggles na rin.
Dati kasi yung story yung pagkabay-sabay ng situation pandemic. Anxiety mo dahil na alam ko pa paano yung sa business sa susunod na araw. Nagtayo ka pa ng isang negosyo. Wala kasi ba ang buhay. So parang sabay-sabay. Pag nag-isip ka, ang tone na yung is that mas marami.
Pressure versus pressure sa business.
What? What the heck? This is I have a much better burnout than this one. The secret. Aura farming. Aura farming.
Yung relationship niya ka muna.
Kaya ma-just upgrade them.
Kaya pag magkasama kayo, bangayan ang bangayan. Kasi ang daming ano story. Di ba nga napag-uusapan
Look at those. They're making me so much money.
Partner namin si Mabel.
Da-da, da-da. My top 3 worst brain rots. I'm going to sell them. Bye-bye, Cavallo. This is the worst one.
Nagbibiran ako ng products.
I'm literally near
Distributor
this.
sila ng iba't ibang brands.
Time to sell.
Personally, parang ako, so ang hirap magbenta ng product.
What does this
na
mean?
hindi ka
Bro, I don't have any opium.
Kaya po yan po.
I like getting flinged.
Papunta sa tapos pinag-usapan na namin, sige, pag-uwi tayo. Ano kaya pwede natin sumabang? Tapos, naalala ko, parang uli ako na yung nagpatry sa akin, na linagot ako na capsule siya, nag-uwi sa akin. Hindi ko kaya nabili ko sa
Oh my god. What? I didn't even touch it. Did I just lag? Definitely lagged. Oh, look at that. That's a big old tsunami right there. I want a lightning. What the heck? Mariette Frigo. Whee! Bro literally just flinged me. Whee! Oh my god, please don't. Ah! Oh my god.
Alam mo kami isa sa lahat. Para makapagpunta ka.
Luckily, thank you, bro.
Maganda sa business mo. Kahit na we were together and we got separated, we can still work together as a team. Kung iisipin mo, paano nila nagawa? Paano ba sila nakakapag-work together? Hindi ba ngayon mga love ayaw nang i-work yung ex-love team nila?
Give me this occasion.
Ito pa yung
Ayaw ko na mag-work yung love team. Diba?
perfect yung sinabi yung love team. Kasi ang mga
I'm gonna end this video, guys. If you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. So, Alex, peace. Wait, what?